happy because it bit me in the middle.
When?
When I just found a little spider and had this gold stuff on it.
Just now?
Even though I pulled its guts out because
Yuck.
it bit me. And I was like, ah! And I squished it. I think it's on my hand. Yeah, that's it. That's him.
Okay. Is he dead? Huh? You squished the guts out?
Yes, but he was still alive after the guts flew out.
Oh my gosh.